If a world full of weaponized pork missiles is a world you want to live in, please back this project and help us build this game. Hi, it's Keri with Buzz60. In just 1 week, $4 million was pledged to this Kickstarter, so I think it's safe to say there's a lot of people who want to live in this world, or at least play a game that involves exploding kittens. This is the internet age, and with it comes the rebirth of the cat as a type of wireless deity. Let's take a look at the game that is now the most backed Kickstarter project of all time. The point of the game is to keep yourself from an exploding kitten, because if you explode, you're out of the game. Luckily, there are special cards to keep you in.
You can also deploy the Taco Cat, Abercrab Lincoln, magical meat bikinis, and a fearsome Caterwalkie.
Like any Kickstarter, there are rewards if you back the project. In this case, the reward is the game. So the creators are pre-selling a bunch of games so they have the money to make it for real. Genius. They have a family-friendly version of the game, but the not safe for work version has over 100,000 people on board. So the real moneymaker is the naughty exploding kittens. There are no previews of these cards. However, with cards like Don the fake cheetah butt and deploy the 1,000-year back hair, I think it's safe to say they will produce something that the grown-ups will like. Buzz60. Now you know, pass it on.